And I'm Devon.
And this is your marketing moment.
Geotagging images.
Let's get started with, what is it?
Yeah. So when you take a picture on your phone, that picture automatically has the location details from which the picture was taken. So that when you post that on social media, you might notice, it's like add location and it automatically pops up. You're like, it's creepy. It's just part of the DNA of that image. But sometimes in the business world, when you're posting an image on social media, you created the image in Canva, or you bought a stock image, or have some other point and click editor. But for the Google gods, you want to add a location to that image.
And this is, we're talking if you're creating this image to upload to social, if you're making a banner for a blog, if you're uploading an image to your website, just do this across the board if you are focused on trying to rank locally in your market. And when you tag it too, it is important to make sure you're tagging it with a core keyword.
Yes, exactly. So there's tons of free geo tagging tools. So just Google them. We like Geo Imager. You can upload your image and then give the exact coordinates for where you want that photo to be geotagged. So if you're trying to rank as an electrician in North Vancouver, then
shout out to one of our favorite electricians,
Sean, TCA Electric. We love them. If you're in North Vancouver, hit them up. But if you want to, rank in North Vancouver for, like an electrician, then you can upload this stock photo or, designed Canva photo to Geo Imager, select the coordinates that you want to be written into this picture's DNA kind of, and then you re-download the picture, and then you can just upload it to, social media channels or wherever you intend to use that image.
And this is like a really important thing that a lot of people miss, and it can be really a game changer in your SEO rankings if you take the time to go that extra step.
Especially with how competitive it is for local SEO right now. Like you want to take advantage of every opportunity you have to tell Google the location of your service or business, and doing it through an image is just another way to reinforce your presence for your service in that location.
And that's it.
That's your marketing moment.
Thanks, guys.